working on a teddy bear gift prop in this video using paper mache. Paper mache balls are great for crafting decorative items, party decorations or even storage solutions, and they are very easy to make. You can choose almost any material for your base, like cardboard, plastic or glass. For this project, I'll be using a balloon as the mold. The term paper mache is French for chewed paper, but actually goes way back to Imperial China. There are generally two approaches to preparing paper mache. The first involves using paper strips glued together with an adhesive, while the second method utilizes paper pulp. For this project, I'll be using the first technique. Newspaper is the most commonly used type of paper for paper mache. Begin by tearing the newspaper into strips or pieces. I usually start with larger pieces for the initial layers, then switch to longer strips for the middle layers, and finally I use smaller strips and pieces for the top layers. This method helps me achieve a smoother finish. Every artist has their own favorites when it comes to choosing glue. A classic option is a simple mixture of flour and water. Personally, I like to mix things up a bit. I use white glue for the second and finer layers since it dries hard, while I opt for a more affordable flour-based paste for the middle layers. Just keep in mind that flour paste can trap moisture, leading to soggy paper mache or even mold growth. So it's crucial to let each layer dry thoroughly before moving on to the next one. To add durability to your project, think about applying a protective coating like varnish or resin. If your glue of choice was flour and water, you can seal the surface with gesso to block out moisture. Once the gesso has dried, give the surface a good sanding for a smooth finish and wrap it up with a layer of spray varnish.